March 28, Myanmar was rocked by a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake near Mandalay, its second largest city. The quake originated along the Sagaing fault, one of Southeast Asia's most seismically active zones. Within minutes, powerful aftershocks followed, causing widespread destruction. But why did Bangkok, nearly 1,000 kilometers away, feel tremors, while eastern India remains safe? What makes the Sagaing fault so dangerous compared to other faults in the region? The Sagaing fault is a 1400 kilometer long strike-slip fault, meaning tectonic plates move horizontally past each other. Unlike subduction zones where one plate dives under another, these faults generate shallow but intense earthquakes, often at depths of 10 to 15 kilometers, amplifying destruction. Bangkok saw minimal damage because long period seismic waves traveled efficiently, causing high-rise buildings to sway. In contrast, eastern India avoided impact because the quake's energy dispersed north-south along the fault line, sparing regions to the west. If the Sagaing fault has a history of major earthquakes, why wasn't Myanmar better prepared? Southeast Asia sits at a complex tectonic intersection where the Indian and Eurasian plates collide. The continuous stress build-up along these faults makes devastating quakes inevitable. The 2025 Myanmar earthquake wasn't an isolated event. Historical records show similar quakes along the Sagaing fault in 1839, 1927 and 1946. As pressure builds, more powerful quakes are likely in the future. Now, is India prepared for such disasters? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.